After days of silence, customs officials are shedding light tonight on the asylum backlog at the border.
This as more than 24 migrants in the caravan from Central America wait for their turn. Our 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo is live in San Ysidro. And Laura, these migrants, they have been waiting for days.
We are going on day 3 right now. Now, just a few hours ago, I spoke to the port director here at San Ysidro. He tells me they have 28 migrants in their custody as we speak. They are not going to be accepting anybody else until more space is available. Nearly 3 days after arriving in San Ysidro, over 24 migrants from Central America are one step closer to finding out if they'll be granted asylum. They've made it into customs custody to be processed, a process that takes hours.
It could take anywhere from 4+ hours, and individuals could potentially be in our custody for some extended periods of time, depending upon the case situation they're in.
Port Director Sydney Aki explains the officers conduct what's called a credible fear interview. They get their picture and fingerprints taken. They also eat and see a doctor.
We then also conduct medical care for these individuals. We provide food, water, drinks, and things of that nature.
Aki denied claims made by activists and attorneys in Tijuana accusing customs of stalling, saying they were at capacity when they weren't.
No, we are at capacity, hence the reason why we were not able to take anyone on that particular day on Sunday.
Meanwhile, an attorney in Tijuana says roughly 125 migrants are still waiting to be processed.
But despite this, people's spirits, at least to me, appear to be high.
It's up to the migrants to pick who gets priority. We're told that's a tense selection process.
I've already come up with the system for collective decision making, but it was definitely tense.
That same attorney tells me that when the migrants are called in by customs, it happens very quickly. She tells me this morning one mother missed her chance because her son was in the restroom. Ultimately, it's going to be up to an immigration judge to decide whether or not these migrants are granted asylum. Reporting live in San Ysidro, Laura Acevedo, 10 News.
Laura,